Hello everyone, I am Guru Govinda. In this video, I am going to teach you how to update your passport number in your Prometric ID for JFT. Please watch the video until the end, and for more information like this, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now, first of all, go to the Google and search for Prometric Nepal. After that, click on the first link provided, Japanese Foundation Test for Basic Japanese JFT Basic. Once you are there, click on the section that says FAQ. Then click on the ID registration. After clicking ID registration, click on the first option. Then I don't know how to register EKTP information. Following that, uh, click on confirm and change personal information. Click next. Click on the next option, then enter your old Prometric ID. And you should put here your old Prometric ID like this, JP21146, and log in here. Since you are not from Indonesia, click on the other option and select no. Even I'm from Nepal, so I select here other, and will you take the exam in Indonesia is no. If you are from Indonesia, you select Indonesia and yes. Okay, now I'm from Nepal, so I click here other, and another option is no. Then select next. Now we need to enter the passport data. It's easy. If you look here, you can see MRZ line number 1 and line number 2. I have copied the letter as shown in the yellow highlights here. In this empty box, you see MRR written like here. Um, that stands for Myanmar. If you are a citizen of Myanmar, you should write MMR. But since I am Nepali, I wrote NPL in capital letters. Then in this box, you need to write your name as it appears on your passport. Now I write here which is in your MRR number like this. After JP and Shiken Taro look like this. You should write here and now copy this and paste here, and now your name, all letters in capital letters. Okay, after that click confirm MRZ line 1. Now MRZ line 1 has been entered correctly according to the format rules. Now let's move to MRZ line 2, which is machine readable zone 2. Line 2 is this. Okay, now MRZ line 2, you put here for this section we need to look at line 2 of the passport. Line 2 is this. You guys look at your passport in line number 2, where is starting from PA uh, PA 21 43 in this box. Since I am Nepali, I wrote NPL. uh, NPL. Your passport will have the code for your specific country, so enter that. if you are not Nepali. Then enter the number of following the letters shown on the passport until the M or F gender marker here. Um, and select your gender, male, female. Here is male, M stand for male or F stand for female. So select your female. Finally, uh, for this last box, you only need to enter 7 numbers appearing after the male female marker. Uh, even if there are more numbers present, once this is done, line 2 is filled up. Now click confirm. Confirm emerged line 2. Emerged line 2 has been entered correctly according to the format rules. Now click on next. Uh, once you click next, all your details will appear. Please verify all these details yourself. If anything is wrong, you can go back and fix it. After checking everything, I am clicking next option. On the next screen, it will ask, would you like to confirm or update your registered information now? Click yes, and check your click yes and click next. Then again check your details one more time. If all my details are correct, finally for the option, do you want to receive notification from Prometric? Select no. Click next. Then finally click the register option is on here. You click register option. Now uh, your passport information has been successfully updated. Register in Prometric. For more videos, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.